this is Kirsten Alstaff, Musical Director of OAIM, and I want to tell you about another really exciting practice tool that we have on our student dashboard called Virtual Reality Sessions, or VR Sessions for short. From talking to many of you over the past 6 years via emails, Facebook and YouTube, it's obvious to us that what most of you want is to experience playing in an Irish music session. And who wouldn't? It's an exhilarating experience, the reason why many get into Irish music and the reason why many stay playing. There are two ways of viewing the VR sessions, either with your smartphone inserted into a VR headset or on the computer screen through your browser. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to use these videos on the computer. Click on VR Play Along Jam Session in your left-hand column. Choose what tunes to play along with or to listen to. I'm going to click on this set of reels, Sally Gardens and Made Behind the Bar. Now the count at the start is to give you time to get your instrument ready. By clicking and dragging the screen, you can get a full 360-degree view of the pub and the musicians. Okay, so I have a specific interest in what one of the fiddlers is doing, so I'm going to leave him on the screen so I can watch his bowing. Now there's notation and chords for each tune to help you to play along. If you're watching with the VR glasses, choose your video and insert the phone into the glasses. You'll be able to look around the pub and it will be almost like you're there. We've just released another massive 70 tunes to our session collection. So now you have a huge choice of tunes to enjoy and play along with. Turn your home into an Irish pub for the evening and sit back, relax and enjoy the music and your virtual visit to Ireland. This is the next step in your learning journey, giving you that experience of playing in an Irish music session. You'll never be far from Ireland with these VR sessions. Okay, until next time, this is Kirsten Alstaff, thanking you for choosing the Online Academy of Irish Music.